That's normal.
Wow, man. So start to even the opposite. Oh, leave the subtitles on. Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, the lyrics are insane, by the way, bro. I'm telling you.
I'm ready, bro.
We're not ready.
Let's get started. It's awesome. I love it. San out is brilliant. All right.
San.
2, 1. Let's go.
Bro, it's such a banger. Bro, let's go with the heavy.
You guys said it was up our alley, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, shout out to everyone who
I've not heard this, by the way.
Kawhi Pasto with the mix. And the instrumental as well. Oh my god.
That goes in. That actually goes in.
It does.
The beat change.
Yo, this is insane.
Oh my god, SNII.
That guitar. I love that guitar. Oh my god.
This is an original.
Pay attention to the lyrics as well. Lyrics are madness. New outfit too, by the way, yo. Congrats for that, SNII.
The vibrato.
Yeah.
This the video.
That's nice. Yo, is this not an anime opening?
Yeah.
It's an anime opening, bro. The way SNII is saying, bro,
So different to the first original.
and the art as well, like, you can't.
Oh! Breaking Benjamin vibes here.
Yeah, it's so sick.
Oh!
The guitar was, you can hear those bar chords. Woohoo! I was happy, yo, SNII, you deserve this. You deserve all of it.
SNII.
Oh, that little dip into that. Bro, that's sustained vibrato. Yeah. Oscillation, bro.
Yeah, bro. Oh, I love this part. I'll skew. Ivy, welcome to my dad.
Ivy, thank you so much. Means a lot to us.
Guys, original song, by the way. I just need to keep reminding you all about that.
Right. Oh, bro, you see it in the pad.
Oh,
So
yo,
sick.
the
Yeah. Woo!
So, this
go.
is Silent Noise, an original song by SNII, who's in the house right now, bro.
So guys, show her all the love.
please.
You got every single bit of it. At this rate. Look at this. You get like.
Oh, I'm getting delete vibes from this one.
Yeah, right.
Like,
Delete was such a banger as well.
That sounds subscribed. That's what we like to hear, zombie tacos.
Be prepared for more stuff like this from SNII.
Here you go, by the way.
Know.
Original Ian lyrics and vocals melody written by me and translated by Japanese.
Japanese. Yo, that's so sick, yo, SNII. You've outdone yourself. You always do.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, her clear voice. Oh my god. Oh, the harmonies here are amazing, man.
Bro.
Woohoo! The trailer. Oh my god. It's her. Clear voice. There's also a passive instrument that's mad, yo. You can hear the vibes, yeah, fair enough.
Ah.
And then the repetitive silent noise is so good.
This is amazing. This is actually wow.
Ah, bro, it's that art as well. Oh my god.
I love this.
It's instrumental, bro.
We grew up with metal, bro, so this is.
Oh
and it just
my
ends like that.
gosh. Oh, the patches, man. That was
Oh,
sick.
this is vibes as well. Yeah, 100.
Oh, yeah,
100.
good point. Good
100.
point. Yo, that was sick, man. Video, lyrics, melody, good trinity. Yeah, there you go. There you go. The trifecta.
Insane.
The trifecta, man.
actually
Oh, no,
incredible.
Spotify. Yo, let's go.
Guys, please be sure to show SNII all the love. Here you go. Here's the link as well.
Indeed.
Show her all of the love. Also, I just want to say as well, thank you guys so much for being here. Subscriber mode is on.
Yes.
Because, you know, of the bot.
Ah,
the
yeah,
bots
yeah. And we have been
happening.
attacked by bots before as well.
Yes, so appreciate you guys. that why we haven't been getting bots lately? We haven't gotten it since we did that.
That's a good point.
And oh yo, okay,
Maybe.
interesting.
It was so sick, yeah, SNII, honestly. SNII is one of the first VTubers that we actually got to know in the community. Because,
oh yeah,
you know, when we started doing
almost
the VTuber,
a year ago.
Over a year ago.
Wild.
So honestly, to see SNII come so far and now having collabed with her as well in such amazing content that she always does, by the way, on Twitch. So guys, be sure to follow on Twitch as well and subscribe to YouTube if you want these banger songs. But it's so fun to see how far SNII's come, and her vocals are banger as always, man. It hits you right in the heart. And look, did you see the lyrics to that? Like the lyrics like that in a song like this, when it's so heavy in the guitar and her vocals are so mesmerizing, bro. It's actually insane.
It's just perfect.
What an insane
I remember you guys reacting to Delete. I'm so happy right now. SNII, the pleasure's all ours.
It's all ours. Really. Thank you so much
man,
for blessing all of us with this banger of a song. So bring this into the world.
Guys,
so sick.
Show her all the love, man. Show her all that Velo fam love.